Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my course, Programming R, Vectors, and Factors. I am a mechatronics engineer and am currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is a beginner-level course for learning the fundamentals of working with R vectors and factors, so some prior knowledge of R might be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding vectors in R, working with vectors in R, understanding factors in R, and working with factors in R. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to work with vectors and factors within R. From here, continue your learning by diving into R and data science with courses on R programming fundamentals, data science with R, and working with data types in R. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to work with vectors and factors with the Programming R Vectors and Factors course at Pluralsight.